Hello, today I'm going to tell you how to download and log into PowerPoint on your Android mobile device. First, we're going to click the Apps box at the bottom of your Android's home screen. Then, we're going to look for the Google Play Store. It should look like that. Once the Google Play Store appears, at the top of the search bar, search PowerPoint. Once we search PowerPoint, we can see where it appears in the search results. Once you find it in the Play Store, you're going to have to go through the downloading process. This may vary due to your internet connection. But once you are done downloading and installing PowerPoint, hit the Open button at the top right. Once we're into PowerPoint, we can see the orange sign-in box. You're going to hit the orange sign-in box, and then it's going to prompt you for another sign-in box. After that, you're going to type in your student email. This should be your first name dot last name at asub.edu. During this time, I'm going to enter in my password, and then I'll get back with you shortly. When you log in, it will say it's retrieving your files. As you can see, I have no local PowerPoint files saved. We can check that this login was successful by clicking the gray circle at the top right. Here, you can see the profile we added during this demonstration. That is how to download and how to log in to PowerPoint using your Android mobile device. If you have any other questions, please feel free to stop by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.